So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again with another update on the transfer window. This time, I'm super happy. I can't lie. Oh, you're so negative. Not today, I'm not. Clip this whole video, share it around your Twitter accounts. Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. Pedro Neto, my baller. Anyone who's watched this channel for the last 3 years knows this is my baller. Nice to see everyone else has caught up, by the way, because nobody wanted him. All the people that were writing in my comment section a couple of weeks back saying when we were linked to him the first time round, when I said go and get him, and there was a load of comments and people saying, oh, he's no good. I bet they've changed their tunes right now. Now Mikel Arteta wants them. But anyway, big up to everybody who's been watching the videos recently, man. Really appreciate it. Make sure you do go and check out the podcast from last night with Kenny and Jez. And I'm recording this 25 minutes before the Manchester United-Liverpool game. So I need to get cracking on with this. Do stick a like on the video. Let's see if we can hit 1,500 likes on this video. Come on, man. My baller. We're getting this baller in. And make sure you share it around as well. I want to see this active, people. And big up to everybody who's been dropping their donations in. You can do so hitting the thanks option down there. It's right next to the share and all of that, the thumbs up and that. Also, check out my Instagram, LeeGunner82. Link is also down there. But we are in, according to David Ornstein, for Pedro Neto. Now, there's been no formal bid yet, but Arsenal have been talking to him for about a month, apparently, which just goes to show that after stuff that happens doesn't come out into the media. And I've seen pretty much positive vibes within the fan base today. But then again, most of these people are positive, even if it's no reason to be positive. Let's just be positive. But most of the people, there is the odd idiot here and there that's going, oh, it's too much money. 50 million for Pedro Neto. Meh. What do you mean too much money? Is it your money, mate? Like, real talk. Yeah, these people are going, oh, we shouldn't be spending 50 million on somebody that's a project. Well, hello. Real talk. Hello. We spent 50 million on the Love Island Mustafi. Surely that's the project, right? Pedro Neto, 22 years old, just turned in March. And he's predominantly a left winger. Although saying that, if you actually look at his overall career, which has been Braga, Lazio, and Wolverhampton Wanderers, he's actually played left wing only 11 times more than he's played right wing. He's played centre forwards 14 times, second striker 13 times, attacking mid 8 times, right mid once, and then obviously the right wing 23 times, and left wing he has played 34 times. So, as all the top gooners out there and super fans alike will tell you, he fits the Arteta mold this season because he's versatile. He has flexibility. I hope we sign him. I really do. Yeah, I genuinely hope we sign this boy. I've been raving about him for 3 years. I think he's quality. Sometimes when you see a footballer play, you just think, you've got it, mate. You can be an absolute superstar. I see that with Saliba. But I was being told, no, let him have his loan. He needs to go out on loan. Well, he didn't. I think we've proved that. He was better than Kolasinac, Chambers, Holding, Socrates, Mustafi, that we played at centre-back over him. But there we go. That's by the by. We've got him back and he's playing well. But this is the same. As soon as I see Pedro Neto playing, I was like, whoa, who's this guy? Yeah, I'd never heard of him before he went to Wolves. Can't lie. And I'm not going to pretend that I did, because I ain't like that. I just say what I think and how it is. And I'll be honest, I watched him a lot for Wolves since he's been there. And every single time I see him play, like, even if he doesn't do anything, I mean, he played against, he played Tottenham the other day and he got substituted. He weren't great, but he's only just coming back from injury as well. He was laid off for a long, long time with an ACL. But he's one of them players that even if he isn't affecting the game with the ball at his feet, is doing something off the ball. And when he got subbed the other day, yeah, rightly so. Wolves didn't offer nothing in the second half. They were poor and he was poor. But he was still making runs. He was still asking for the ball, trying to get involved. Just weren't happening for him that day. Every time I see him, he's always like that. He's a willing runner. Yeah, he's gonna left foot, right foot. He is one of the most technically flawless people in this league. Real talk, yeah. And I'm not just gushing and yes, rah, rah, just for the sake of it. I actually really do rate this guy. This guy's technical ability is insane, flawless. He is so skillful and so talented. Left foot, right foot. What's his stronger foot? Does anyone know? Does anyone know his stronger foot? Let's check transfer market. They know everything. He's a left winger, so I'm assuming he's a left winger that's inverted. I don't know, but then he's played right wing. I think he's left-footed, to be honest. I think he's left-footed. I genuinely don't know. But the one thing I do know is if we get this kid for about 50 million quid, I think that's a bargain. And that could turn out to be one of the best deals of the summer. Cheers. Guys. It could genuinely turn out to be one of the best deals of the summer. And I'm not even lying when I say that I want him badly, because I think we've got Bukayo Saka, who I think is in line. I think he's close to playing 50 league games in a row or 50 games in a row. Yeah, I think it's league games in a row. That is actually ridiculous. Now, and fair play to him, but we need a bit of competition for him because Pepe's in talks with Nice. That's nearly done. And yeah, it's not the one. It's not the one for him to be playing another 40, 50, 60 games in a row. So we need a bit of competition for him. Wrap him up in cotton wool because he's quality. But imagine defending against Saka. Imagine defending against Saka. And then, I don't know, Neto's coming on and you're taking Saka off with 60, 70 minutes gone. And then Pedro Neto's coming on. You're finished. That left back is finished. Real talk. Saka would have run him ragged anyway. And then Neto's coming on. But then not only that, Neto can play on the left, which is where I think a lot of people are seeing it. Oh, we don't need a left winger. We got Martinelli and we've got Smith Rowe. Well, is that good? He can play right. He can play anywhere on the pitch. He would be the best player in our team. Real talk. Yeah, and I'm not just blowing smoke up his ass. He is our best player if we sign him. Technically, he is fucking flawless. So I hope we get it done. I hope we sign him. As you can tell, I'm a Pedro Neto fan. Might have to go and get myself a Portugal shirt with Neto on the back because I refuse to buy Arsenal merch. But yeah, it's all looking promising at the moment. It's all looking like we're going to get him as well. And his agent is George Mendes, and yeah, man. Apparently Neto is an Arsenal fan as well. So I don't know. George Mendes is a good agent. He's a good agent, and he does deals pretty sharpish. So I've already seen Football Daily mocking up Pedro Neto in an Arsenal shirt, and you know what is this fad of doing these things? Right, it's mad, isn't it? But yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, we get him. Smash the likes up, people. Talking of him, he's going to be coming in to replace Nicola Pepe, a player that I think has been absolutely destroyed at this football club. I think it's an outrage what has happened. I think the way our fans have treated him is disgusting. Yeah, absolutely disgusting. Back the team, unless it's Nicola Pepe, and then just don't. Yeah, it's really, really sad for him. But you know what? Good luck to him if he goes to Nice. Apparently, that's close to being done as well. So Fabrizio put out there that talks are ongoing and so on and so forth. So yeah, we shall see. It's going to be a loan move, but good luck to him if he goes. Honestly, good luck to him. I think he's been treated like a right prat since he's been here. Just seeing the team news as well. Ronaldo and Maguire have been benched. Oh dear. But yeah, there it is. We still haven't got rid of Hector Bellerin yet. There is talks that Barcelona are sniffing around. If they've got half a brain, which we know they probably ain't, without money they spank on players that then flop, they won't sign him. But it does look like he's on the radar. He's on the radar. He'll probably end up at Real Betis because Barcelona surely can't be that dumb to sign Hector Bellerin. But what do I know? Who knows? Maitland-Niles is still here. Talk of West Ham on loan. Again, another one that I think hasn't really had a fair crack under this manager. When he did get a run of games in the FA Cup and stuff like that, he was really vital in us winning that FA Cup, along with Nicola Pepe, by the way, and the Bamian. Funny old game, isn't it? But it doesn't look like any of Maitland-Niles, Pepe, or Bellerin are going to be here by the end of this window. So, listen, it is what it is. We started the season great, and we're playing really well. I can't lie, really well with and without the ball, and that is saying that we didn't see last season so much. Not for 3 straight games like that, anyway. Yeah, it was up and down like a horse draws. It was one of them ones. It was like 1 week we're good, and 1 week we're bad. As Gattuso would say, 1 week really good, 1 week really shit. But yeah, it was like that. And for the first 3 games, I think we've been brilliant without the ball. I know we conceded 2 goals against Leicester, and people are laughing at I'm saying that. One of them was an own goal. Unfortunate. The spin on the ball took it in. And the other one was just Gabriel switching off, which he needs to stop doing, by the way, because he does that 3 or 4 or 5 times a season, which ultimately always costs us a goal. And he done it against Walcott. He's done it against other players, Marcus Rashford, Greenwood, and obviously he done it against Maddison the other day. But we're actually looking like a good team right now. But it is early days. Let's not forget Tottenham were top of the league after 3 games last season, and we were bottom. So, yeah, let's not get carried away. We all know what happened to Tottenham after that first 3 games, didn't we? So let's enjoy the 3 victories. But will it lead to a title? Probably not. And will it lead to a title charge? Probably not. But I do think we're going to win the first 5, 6, 7, maybe even 8 games, if I'm honest. So we shall see. We shall see. But listen, I'm going to wrap it up. Leave your thoughts and feelings in the comments section, people. Do you rate Pedro Neto? Are you lying when you say you don't? Because he's coming to us and not your team. I don't know. Are you a Pedro Neto fan? Leave it in the comment section. How good do you think he is? How much do you think he is worth? Leave that down below as well. Also, let me know your thoughts on Nicola Pepe, Becky B, Maitland-Niles, our start to the season being fantastical. And let me know your thoughts on that. How far can we go this season? Can we actually title challenge? I'd like to know your thoughts on that. Even as a rival fan, a Chelsea fan, other teams that watch this, other teams' fans that watch this, let me know where you think Arsenal are going to finish, because it's interesting to get your viewpoint as well, people. And big up to everybody. Make sure you are firing the likes up. 1,500 would be fantastic. Share the stream around. That would be great as well. Obviously, ultimate positivity. I've gone from being negative to positive, and we'll be back to negative again soon. Don't worry, because ultimately we ain't good enough. But right now we are. And yeah, 38 games, probably not. But make sure you are smashing the likes up. If you want to drop a super chat in, a donation, a super thanks, do that down there. Hit the thanks option. Press the pencil in the top right after you've done it. Right, whatever you want. I'll reply to everyone who does do that. The highest one will be pinned. So yeah, big up to everyone, man. Adios, amigos. Arteta fuera. Get me that Donny. Get me that Donny in this fucking club right now, baby. Go and get me Pedro Neto, baby.